What in the world is made from recycled materials? That's why. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by YGWigs. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. I'm gonna tell you up front, this install is real easy, okay? Because I got things to do, okay? So I gotta hurry up and get this hair done and get out the door, all right? So if you missed something, make sure you rewind it, okay? Y'all in my comments talking about something. What was this? I missed it. Sis, rewind the video. I feel like some of y'all be lying. Y'all don't be watching the video. Y'all just want me to tell you the answer, and I'm sick of it. Slow it down if you need to. It's there, okay? The information is there in the video and in the description box, okay? Y'all not, I ain't gonna leave y'all hanging like that. I got you, okay? Now, before we get into this very easy glueless install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem, man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. You lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like
Okay, so the hair is all laid down, but now we need to style her. So like I said, this unit comes to us from YGWigs. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen. This is a glueless install because it's hot outside and I don't feel like gluing nothing down. This is an HD Swiss lace wig, so the lace should melt down pretty seamlessly, but we're gonna check once I take this joint off. So first I need to straighten the top out. This is gonna be real easy. I think I'm gonna have to pluck some of the hair out right there because my parting space looks a little crooked. Ooh, let me not, thinking I'm burning myself. Goodness gracious. Is this even on? Just not really that hot yet. Okay, I need to clean up my parting space because it's a little crooked. It just looks real like curved to the side. I don't know what's going on. Let's just work with it. Let's just work with it. So I'm gonna press it out like that. A little bit of hair right here in the middle. Okay, so I'm just gonna curl this unit up on the ends. Now, I did not wash my wig, but I did spray her down with some dry shampoo. It does come with a slight chemical smell, so you may wanna go ahead and wash it before you wear her like me. Let me clip this back. Just gonna put a couple curls in the front here. Curl it up, curl it up, curl it up, curl it. I got things to do today, so I need to hurry up. All right, now let's take this off and see what we're working with. Okay. Ah, she was tight on my head. Ooh, pretty. Brush those back. Brush those back. Ow, caught my naps. That lace is looking pretty good, I think. My glasses on. Okay, we got a little ashiness around there, but we gonna fix that. A little bit of my contour shade. Just around there like that. Okay, this parting space is it's a little heavy. I need to pull some of this out right here. Okay, there we go. There we go. I'm gonna use a little bit of my dry shampoo, and I'm going to try to add some body to this wig. Now I'm gonna blow dry it on cool. Do a little hairspray at the top. Just lay these flyaways down. Brush that out. Cause definitely spray this down for a more secure fit, but again, I don't want to. Okay, so I think that is it for this wig. It came out pretty simple, nothing crazy. The styling was pretty simple. Like, again, I didn't have to do anything major to this wig. I just curled it. It does already come with layers, so I didn't have to cut anything. This is their feathered 13x6 HD Swiss lace unit. The main takeaway for this wig is the lace, okay? It is glueless on my head, and I'm here for that. I like that, okay? I like that a lot. I don't got time for the glue every single install, okay? I do not. The hair texture for this wig is on the silkier side, so you will need to set your curls if you plan on, you know, leaving them in this heat especially, okay, for a long period of time. Because I will be outside, I more than likely will just pin this joint up like this, give me a little look. I'm gonna put a little bit more contour right there around my hairline just to make sure. Okay, make sure she's sitting. No shedding, no tangling. The hair is pretty simple. The fact that this is an HG lace wig that comes with bleach knots, a pre-plug hairline, the hair texture is nice and simple. It already comes with layers. And for 150% density, I think it's $259, and the 180% density is like $263. I mean, like, they may be coming for the pockets, but they give you exactly what they say they're gonna give you. Okay, I like that, YG. I like that, YG. This could actually be really cute if I pinned her up like a little messy situation. Let me see. Where my clips? I bought some clips. Let me not cut my fingers. There we go. Okay, do like a little clip up like this. If I can open it, dang. What in the world is you know what? Be smarter than the clip. What's happening? Okay, that's weird. These things were $10 from Ulta. They better open. I should have went to Walmart. Made from recycled materials. That's why. God dang it. Okay, there we go. Let's go open it like that. Put it in like this. Bring some hair out like that. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. This the old school banana clip situation. Now I will say the fit of this cap is a little short in the back. It fits really good around my hairline, but it won't come all the way down the back. So if you are part of Big Kid Gang, make sure your natural hair is as flat as possible so that you don't have any humpage like I do. But you know, it is what it is, okay? I'm gonna pin that back. Ooh, this is cute. How we looking with the lace though? How we looking with the lace? It looks pretty good? Yeah, it does. And y'all be talking about it's hot outside, I don't wanna wear no wigs either. Listen, you can still rock your wigs and you can pin them up just like this, okay? Ponytail wear. Get you a banana clip. I like saying that word, banana clip. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to YG Wigs for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.